Anybody riding with me here on Tesla?
So you know what's been going on here. It's been a meme Monday. You're asking yourself, like, what has been happening and why? Look, it's pretty simple. Roaring Kitty posted the position on Tesla. Drops the, I got 116 milli. So strap it on in. Now, obviously, in the morning, this was up 70%. It actually tagged 90% to the upside. So this was the first post on Reddit in like 3 years for Roaring Kitty, and it was an update on the massive position that Keith Gill obviously has. I mean, whether it's Roaring Kitty, Keith Gill, whatever alias you want to give to him, deep, you know what value. But the story at the open and what we've seen here is the other direction. So yeah, you were gapped up on strength. You got the motivation that clearly he still believes in the position from a personal standpoint. I mean, he's putting his own money at work. But at the open, it was a bit of a sell the news event here, Sean, which is a little different from the first time. Like when we got that first tweet, it was a big push to the upside.
Yeah.
Today, it was the gap up, and it wasn't so much of a hold. But this is purely Reddit-driven. It's purely social media-driven. It's trying to catch a bid right now, but it seems like the volume and volatility is right back in here, thanks to our good friend Roaring Kitty, the Apes champion.
Here we go, man. We are long right now at 28.50 on GME, but we've taken a bunch of shots today, including the pre-market. But straight to the downside, look, I still think this has some juice. We wrote it down last week, Friday, long GME. It's on the sticky note. It's on my weekly review. The trade for this current week was long GME. So if you came in today and you had that trade, you captured 100%. I mean, long 20, 22, 23, up to 44, but that fade has happened, and there's that big red candle right back into 28 bucks again. So we'll see if it can hold. I mean, that last little level there, 29, it is trying to go. We've had some issues at the NYSE this morning, but right now it's $30.80. We're long right down here at 20.50. Looks like GME wants to go, but remember, you had some nice volume here off the open, 78 million shares. This guy owns 5 million shares, plus 120,000 call options with a $20 strike. So in order to get out of that name, you're gonna have to sell. So if you're selling 5 million shares, I mean, some of these candles are only 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5 million. So watch out there. These candles only 1 million shares. So you're gonna have to get out to realize profit. And when the masses sell, we don't know what's going to happen with GME. But as you can see, your boy's holding the line, baby. We're long at 28.50. You don't see no outs up here. Let's see if GameStop can get going through $33. It's going to be a wild ride. You can join us every single day live here at Trader TV Live. Your boy will be here. Neil will be here. This is $30. It's GME. It's exciting. It's Trader TV Live. Hit it, like it, subscribe, all of that. That's what we do every single day. All right, let's keep going now. That is that, and this is this. Right now, Tesla.